Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Memeland Airdrop Guide: How to Earn and Stake $Meme Tokens. What is Memeland? Memeland is a Web3 venture studio built by the team behind 9gag, the globally popular humor platform. With a vision to empower communities worldwide, Memeland blends blockchain technology with creativity and community-driven innovation. At its core, Memeland focuses on SocialFi, a model that combines social networking with decentralized finance, and the creator economy, which enables content creators to connect directly with their fans. Memeland isn't just about memes, it's about fostering communities, supporting creativity, and offering financial rewards to participants. Through its native cryptocurrency, $Meme, Memeland creates a vibrant ecosystem for meme enthusiasts, creators, and investors. Whether you're passionate about memes, NFTs, or crypto, Memeland provides tools to engage, earn, and thrive in the world of decentralized finance. How does $Meme power the Memeland ecosystem? The $Meme token is the backbone of the Memeland ecosystem. It connects all aspects of the platform, from airdrops and staking to community rewards. With a fixed total supply of 69 billion tokens, $Meme is strategically distributed to fuel growth, incentivize participation, and ensure long-term success. Here's a breakdown of $Meme token distribution. Airdrop: 25%, a quarter of all tokens are set aside for crypto airdrops, released gradually to reward early adopters. Community pre-sale: 11% tokens for the pre-sale, with 2.75% unlocked immediately, and the rest released over time. Ecosystem treasury: funds allocated to support future growth and projects within Memeland. Private sale and contributors: a share reserved for private investors and the team that contributes to Memeland's development. Binance launch pool and advisors: a smaller portion for partnerships and strategic guidance. This allocation ensures a fair and balanced approach to growing the ecosystem while rewarding its contributors and participants. What is the Memeland Airdrop? The Memeland Airdrop is one of the most anticipated events in the crypto space, offering free $Meme tokens to eligible participants. It's a multi-stage event that runs until November, giving various users a chance to claim rewards. Eligibility for the airdrop is determined by the following. NFT holders, owners of specific Memeland NFTs, such as MVP, Captains, or Potatas, are eligible to receive airdrop tokens. Pre-sale participants, individuals who participated in the pre-sale are rewarded with $Meme tokens and a chance to enter a $1 million prize draw. Telegram users, by engaging with the Memeland Airdrop bot on Telegram, users can claim additional rewards. The airdrop is not just about free tokens. It's a strategic way for Memeland to distribute $Meme, build its community, and encourage long-term engagement. What is staking, and why should you do it? Staking is a way to earn passive income by locking your $Meme tokens in Memeland's in-game bank. The staking process is straightforward and comes with impressive returns. Key benefits of staking $Meme: high APY. Enjoy an annual percentage yield of over 1,000%, which is significantly higher than most staking opportunities in the crypto world. Hourly rewards. Staking generates consistent, hourly payouts, giving users a steady flow of income. Token growth. With such high returns, staking allows you to grow your $Meme holdings quickly, making it an attractive option for both short-term and long-term holders. The staking mechanism is designed to reward users who contribute to the stability and liquidity of the Memeland ecosystem, creating a win-win scenario for all participants. Why should you join the Memeland Airdrop? Participating in the Memeland Airdrop comes with a host of exciting benefits. Free $Meme tokens. Be among the first to own $Meme before it hits exchanges. League system rewards. As you accumulate more tokens, you climb up the league system, unlocking additional rewards and benefits. Staking opportunities. Use your airdrop tokens to start staking immediately and earn passive income. Community involvement. Being part of the Memeland Airdrop connects you to a growing community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts and meme lovers. How to buy and trade $Meme tokens. If you missed the airdrop or want to expand your holdings, buying $Meme tokens is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide to trading $Meme on CoinEx, a trusted global crypto exchange. Create a CoinEx account. Sign up on CoinEx's platform to start trading. Deposit funds. Add funds to your account using supported cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or use other payment methods. Search for $Meme. Navigate to the memes/USDT trading pair on the platform. Select your purchase amount. Decide how many $Meme tokens you want to buy. Place your order. Confirm your trade and complete the transaction. Once purchased, you can stake your $Meme tokens or hold them for potential price appreciation. What makes Memeland unique? Memeland isn't just another crypto project. It's a community-driven platform with a clear mission: to empower creators and meme lovers while revolutionizing the way we think about online communities. Here are some unique features that set Memeland apart. Meme culture. By integrating humor, creativity, and blockchain technology, Memeland attracts a diverse and engaged audience. NFT integration. Memeland NFTs offer more than just artwork. They serve as keys to rewards and ecosystem benefits. Social fi innovation. Combining social media with decentralized finance, Memeland introduces new ways for communities to connect and grow financially.